This video will serve as an ordering guide for the TTC-1000. We will walk you through the model option tables for both the TTC and temperature probes to better understand their respective part numbers. First, we have the model option table for the TTC-1000. As you can see, each character in the 6-digit part number corresponds to its own feature matrix. The first character provides the option between standard panel mounting or an external NEMA 4X enclosure, which can be equipped with a heater. Next, we have the optional functionality of analog outputs, which can be configured for 0 to 1 or 4 to 20 milliamps. These can also be communicated through DMP or Modbus protocol. Next are the auxiliary CT and temperature probe channels. Liquid temperature probes can be used in multiple applications, alongside an available ambient probe. Auxiliary CTs are used to monitor transformer load for winding temperature calculation, as well as other load monitoring, such as additional windings, fans, pumps, motors, and heaters. The next feature matrix includes digital inputs for data aggregation and Form C relay outputs, as well as the optional functionality of sensorless tap position monitoring. Next, we have the option of adding more digital inputs for data aggregation, as well as an extra RS-232 port. You can also add the functionality of multimode fiber for communications through a standard SP connector or VPN. Lastly, you can add up to 8 additional aux CTs to provide the functionality discussed earlier. Now we will look at the model option table for the temperature probes. Note that probes for all APT devices will carry this same TTC-probe part number format. The ambient temperature probe remains the same throughout all applications aside from a changeable lead length, which will be discussed later. For the liquid temperature probes, there are several options, mainly between probe size and fitting. Probes can be equipped with either externally mounted snap elbow fittings or liquid tight ready for leads to be ran in conduit. These can be ordered to fit IEEE standard ANSI C57 size probe wells or with a universal sizing kit that fits an array of well diameters. Probes with the externally mounted snap elbow fitting can also be ordered in 1/4 inch or 5/16 inch diameters. For applications where a probe well is not available, commonly in retrofit scenarios, APT also offers a magnetic surface mount probe. The last part of the temperature probe part number corresponds to the lead length, which can be ordered between 10 and 250 feet. By default, lead lengths are 10 feet for all probes other than the ambient temperature probe, which is 50 feet. For more information or further assistance, please contact your local representative or visit us at our website at www.advpowertech.com.